Hello to all. After doing discussion for the mole concept and giving the formula, let us start with few numericals. I will start with the numericals which is given in NCERT book. These are the basic numericals. So let us start with example 3.3. Here it is given, calculate the number of moles for the following: 52 gram of helium, finding mole from the mass, and 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 number of helium atoms, finding mole from number of particles. Now here you need to remember these symbols, and if you don't remember the symbols, I request no need to write down all this. Directly you can write down the statement, and that is a better idea. Now, as I said in my first video that there will be relationship between mass, mole and the total number of the particles. Here in this example, it is directly asked to find out the moles when the mass is given in the first question for the helium. They have taken the same element and they have asked in the first question to find out the mole when the mass is given, and in the second to find out the mole when the number of particles is given. So let us start with the first one. We should know, it is compulsory to know the atomic masses. Without that we will be not able to solve it. So atomic mass of helium is 4U. When it turns into a gram atomic mass, that is a molar mass of helium, it becomes 4 gram. Now remember, there will be only change in the unit, otherwise the number value will be same. Now the number of moles. So again I will tell you, for solving any type of numericals, we should first write down what are the things given and then formula and then solve it. So to find out the number of moles, given mass upon molar mass, हमारे पास क्या है, given mass दिया हुआ है, that is 52 gram. Molar mass we know already, that is 4 gram. So here when you will do n is equal to m upon m, or if you don't remember this, again I am telling, directly you will write down this statement formula. 52 upon 4, that is equal to 13. So this is 13 mole. I think this is clear. Now come to the point. Next one. Here it is the number of particles given. 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 number of helium atoms. Now you have to find out the mole. And it is very well known to us that 1 mole of a helium atom is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles. So here the number of particles is given, or the atoms. Now you need to find out the mole. Again, what is here, we will write down 1 mole is equal to Avogadro's number. Now the number of moles is equal to how much? Means go with the division method. Here also I have used the division method. Here also you will use the division method. This formula is meant to be written in the paper. Otherwise when you will go directly, you will just see that the formula which I have given, they are following the same formula. So given number of particles upon Avogadro's number. What is the given number of particles? 12.044 into 10 to the power 23. And what is the Avogadro's number? It will remain the constant all the time, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Divide it, your answer is 2. Here it will be mole. Thank you.